Back here is our finished goods and shipping area. All the finished packaged parts are going to get inventoried in their desired location here in the warehouse. And then over on the shipping side, as orders come in, they're going to get printed out in a printer. That printed list is going to have a complete pack list of everything that goes into that order. Every item is going to have a barcode. So as they're pulling parts from the location, they're scanning that barcode to make sure that it is the exact part for that order. Once that order is complete, it will then be brought over to the computer so all parts can be scanned in to ensure that the order is complete with all the correct parts. Hey Mel.
Hey Dan.
Looks like you got an order completed here and ready to go. Could you tell us a little bit about the picking process and what kind of steps you're taking here?
Yeah, so after we print out and we get it picked, we scan it through our system to make sure it's correct before we can send it out.
What happens if you scan the part incorrectly or you pick the wrong part?
The computer stops us from continuing scanning, so we make sure to double check it, fix it if we did pick it wrong, just make sure it's correct.
So there's fail safes in place that stop the incorrect parts from getting packaged
Yes.
on order. What happens when everything's complete?
So I'll take it over and I'll box it up and then I'll send it on to get put on the scale and shipped out.
And we ship internationally and domestically with multiple carriers. Shipping in the US is always free on orders over $200 and a flat rate shipping of $9.85 for orders under $200.
Yes.
After the package has been weighed, sealed, and labeled, you will head on down the line. Thanks, Mel. Let's follow some boxes out the door. This is going to be the end of the line. I hope you've enjoyed seeing some of our quality checks and some of the processes we take in our manufacturing process. Those quality checks and processes keep us ISO 9001 certified. We take a lot of pride in every single part that we make so we can provide the highest quality kits for you guys. From here, everything that's been boxed up today is going to head out the door. Our parcel carriers will then pick up from this location, load their trucks, and start heading to you. We really appreciate you guys watching today. Don't forget, we back all of our products with our lifetime warranty and world-class tech support right here in New Prague, Minnesota.